Okay, welcome. Let's look at how to plot this chart. We had issue plotting it and getting it the right way yesterday when we looked at it. So this is the professor's grade book that we looked at yesterday. So to plot, this is what we do. Is everybody listening? You click on, can you see where they wrote student's name? Can you see student name? Click on top of that student name. Then drag down up to Zuhair. That's the last name. Can you do that? Can you do that? From student name down to Zuhair, which is the last name, isn't it? So what other column after student name are we told to plot? Final bar. Then I now hold down the shift key, click on final and hold it down to 38. That final that in bracket 40%, then I hold it down to 38. Can you see that? Have you done that? Make sure you're holding the control. Are you able to do that? Huh? Good. Then I now hold grade is the last one, but then I hold grade, then down to 65. So with that, I'll pick the 3 columns. So I think the mistake we made the other time was that we clicked on the column header. You understand? So once you do that, you can go to insert. Then what we're inserting is what? Columns. Then we'll pick the second option under what? Cylinder. First option is cylinder. We'll click. You can see that it's now clearly and well plotted. So the next thing is to bring down those tables down. And to do that, to come to all the chart layouts. Then you're going to see the one that looks like that. Which one are we going to pick now? Let's try out this one. This is it. So if I click there, I'm going to see all the grades written down. So that is the right thing to do. So that is how you plot the chart. Okay. So once you're plotting, make sure all the columns that you're choosing, you select them just from the column header here. Don't select the column itself, the A column also. Then after selecting the first one, hold down the control key, select the second one, select the third or fourth, depending on how many they are. Once you're done selecting, click on insert, click on column, and select the type of column you want. So you can see this is exactly what we have there. Is it? Is it showing for you? So I'm going to sign off from online so that I'll come to your screen and check.